Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a direct debit with Halifax. First, open your Halifax Mobile Banking app and log in. At the bottom, tap More. Then select Direct Debits and Standing Orders. Next, choose the account that has the payment you want to cancel. You'll see all related transactions listed. Select the payment you want to stop, tap Delete, and confirm your request. And that's it. The selected direct debit will now be canceled. And that's how to cancel a direct debit with Halifax. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.